Hi everyone. This will be a very simple update overview of the version 3.2.3 and what it brings. So basically the one and only thing that it changes is how events like left and changing role handle players. So we can do something like last player state for events left and changing role. What exactly does that mean? Well, let's show you an example. Here I have a script where I am changing role and I want to print my role and my team. Just a simple question. Will this print my last role and team or my present role and team? So like before the change or after the change? Well, let's see. Let's say I want to be an NTF specialist. And this prints NTF Specialist and Foundation Forces. So it didn't print my last team and role, but only my present. So what this new version brings is the last player state. And I will show you that after I change the plugin version. Alright, so now I am running on the new version 3.2.3 and let's see what will happen now. So let's change my role to a guard. And we can still see that we get Facility Guard and Foundation Forces. This is a debug, don't worry about it. But what we have also is new variables. And to actually know what variables we have, we can do print this variables. Okay, so now if we do it again, so let's for example do a class D. These are all of the available event vars. So we have event new role, event items, event ammo. This is the normal event variables for changing role, but we have event last name, event last user ID, event last role, and so on. So if we want to know what was the previous role, we can just do previous role is event last role. Same here. So we can do previous team. Previous team is event last team. Yeah. So if we now decide to go, for example, into a scientist, we can see that previous role class D, current role scientist. Previous team, of course, it was the same. If we change back to a, for example, a zombie, then we will get that previous role was scientist. Now we have STP-0492. This is a very big change that will allow users to basically not have to create any custom systems with player data and just have it available like on demand. And also this allows you, for example, to handle events like left. Because something like print get f player name wouldn't really work because the player left the server. So this reference right here, this reference would not work. This is where the new last player state comes in, because we can just do print and that's it. There also comes a new demo script called scp left info, which uses this functionality to actually send a message to admins on the server, so that if a player that was an SCP left the server, they actually get the information and also the user ID. So you can potentially ban someone if you want to, that's completely up to you. And consider getting a different player to replace the SCP, of course. And yeah, like that's about it.